Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, October 19th. Gap and go yesterday and holding the gains. Stocks were up and hung on. 2/3% gain in the S&P yesterday, 0.5% in the Dow, and a 1 full percent jump in the Nasdaq, now within striking distance of those all-time highs just made 2 Mondays ago. Other markets were quiet. We had the euro very quiet yesterday, a $50 range between the high and the low, and the dollar index unchanged. But let's remember, Monday we saw new highs in the dollar and a lower close, so we still haven't taken out that top, slightly drifting. Maybe we're finished with that dollar rise. Looking at other markets, crude oil was up some yesterday, up 25 cents. Only a $1 range between the high and low there. 52 is resistance to keep an eye on. We're now watching the December contract in crude market. We saw gold move, a bit of a burst, up $6. For gold, that's a lot. We've been stuck within this tight range, trading here between $12.50 and $12.70 right now. Yesterday's close was $12.63. So, after the surge yesterday, where do stocks stand here on Wednesday morning? We're a bit positive, giving me a little bit more firm as we get into the open of the cash stock market. Right now, the E-mini S&P's up 4, the Nasdaq's up 4, and the Dow futures are up 30. Earnings, again, are on the docket. We had Morgan Stanley come out this morning with a profit of $1.6 billion for the quarter on increased trading revenue. So that's an interesting theme that now all the banks are claiming their profits for this quarter. Looking at the other markets, the dollar steady, the euro just below 110. Crude oil right now, if we look at the board, is up 75 cents, up more than 1%, 51.37. Keep an eye on that 52 top. That's what's held the market down here recently. So a move above 52 after trading sideways between 50 and 52 targets an upside technical move, a measured move up to 54. Looking at gold, that's the story of the morning. Right now up $10 at $12.73, trying to break out and now above that big sell-off that we saw when the market broke down below 1,300. It's now above that 12.69 low that was made on that session. So to sum up where we stand right now with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit firmer in the stock futures. We're up 4 points in the E-mini S&P, up 30 in the Dow futures, and up 4 in the Nasdaq 100. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.